The Finance Law and Policy Fact. What is the role of the Debt Management Office? The Debt Management Office of Nigeria was established in 2000, and its role was to centrally organize Nigeria's debt profile. Prior to its enactment, Nigeria's debt profile was coordinated by different agencies, the Ministry of Finance, the Central Bank of Nigeria, and a host of others. And this led to poor coordination and inefficiencies. So with the 2003 Establishment Act, the Debt Management Office came into being, and its essential role was to create a reliable database where all the government's loans that they are taking or guaranteed could actually be verified. Also to create guidelines that ensure that there's proper financial risk management, to verify and service loans by the federal, state governments or the agencies. Also to partake in negotiations that ensure that our debt profiles are balanced vis-a-vis our economic development growth and goals, and a host of related functions. Now let's backtrack a bit to the 1980s. In the 1980s, America and Latin American countries faced an economic crisis, and a contributing factor to this economic crisis was poor debt management. There was a lack of effective poor debt management regimes in these countries, and this contributed to the economic crisis, which is why we have the United Nations Conference for Trade and Development came up with a program about 40 years ago called the Debt Management and Financial Analysis Program, which has equipped over 75 countries to effectively manage their debt levels and profiles. This just goes to show how important it is to a nation's sanity or sustainable and economic growth for it to ensure that its debt is properly managed. And this is essentially the function of the Debt Management Office of Nigeria. That's your Finance Law and Policy Facts for the day.